liquid, a jar to put your slime in, a bowl to mix it in, a spoon, and a lot of stickers so you can decorate your jar. Step 1, we are going to open the whole bottle of glow-in-the-dark glue. Then push it in like this. So much glue is coming out of it. It is so, like, if you touch it, it's going to be so sticky and stuff. You are going to add your contact solution, but it's not contact solution. It's magical liquid. Mind-blowing. So we're going to add the whole thing in it. Step 3. We are going to mix it until it gets the greatest consistency. It's not going to turn into slime that fast as you think it is, but it's gonna be. It is so sticky. Step 4. We're gonna mix this with our hands. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is so sticky. And you look at it. It's all over my hand. But you have to, like, if it gets sticky, well, there's nothing to do. This is so cool. Look, guys. Oh my god, this is so sticky. It's all over the plate. I'm using this. Get off. Now. Get off. Now. Slime. I'm telling you. You need to be better. Step 4. You just have to put the slime into the bowl. And it's really hard to get the excess out of the bowl because we already put all the slime in it. It's really hard. So, you have to continuously check this over and over and over and over and over and over again until you turn 15. You have to check this over and over and over again so to see if it's not sticky. So that's what I did. Step 5, drum roll please. You have to decorate it. You can decorate it any way you want. But I got these because they're so cute. And it says thank you right here. Thank you for subscribing to my other video. they have these cute little gems and oh, and the cute little foam stickers. Let's decorate this. So the first one I'm gonna do, so let's take off the wrapper and I'm gonna put it right here. We are going to show you the finished product. So, in 3, 2, 1. Here it is. It has a lot of stickers on it. I put some on the sides and I put some on the top. It's so foamy and stickery. They're so cute and so adorable. I can't resist. They're so cute. You just saw me make some slime today. Comment down below if you made slime. Comment down below if this kit did well to you. Wait right there before you go. My birthday's on Saturday. We'll be vlogging the whole time. So bye guys. More videos coming your way. But first, click the subscribe button, click the bell button, give this video